Greetings. My name is Bill Cook, and I'm the Director of Business Development and Marketing for the Global Healthcare Accreditation Program. We are very excited about our recent partnership with M2 Organization and Consultancy, who is GHA's official representative in Turkey. I would like to provide a brief introduction about the Global Healthcare Accreditation Program, also known as GHA. GHA is an independent accrediting body that helps improve the patient experience for medical travelers, and we support organization and healthcare providers in validating the quality of the services they provide to medical travelers, help increase visibility to international patients and payers, and help implement a sustainable business model for medical travel. The GHA standards were accredited last year by ISQA, that is the International Society for Quality in Healthcare, which is widely recognized as the accreditor of accreditors and the reference point for international healthcare accrediting bodies seeking an external validation of their standards. ISQA accreditation provides assurance that GHA standards meet the highest international benchmarks for accreditation entities. So what are the services GHA provides? We encompass accreditation, certification, training, and advisory service. We work specifically with hospitals, ambulatory centers such as clinics, dental clinics, IVF clinics, cosmetic surgery. So we also are working now with hotels. We're launching a program called Well Hotel, which I'll talk a little bit about in another video. And we work also with individuals. Some of the services we provide, our flagship service is accreditation, the accreditation for hospitals and clinics. We also offer certification for excellence in medical travel patient experience. We have a COVID-19 certification of conformance, which we launched recently, and it's a remote process. It's very important right now, building trust with patients who are starting to, as travel resumes, hopefully. I mentioned the Well Hotel program. We also have an individual certification called the Certified Medical Travel Professional. Medical travelers, international patients, as you know, if you're working with them, if you're a healthcare organization, they face unique challenges when seeking care in another region or country. This can include language and cultural barriers, or sometimes travel logistics, deficient, maybe cases where there's deficient communication or education, or even lack of transparency. So through our standards, GHA seeks to mitigate these risks and vulnerabilities across the entire medical travel care continuum. Those are each of the touch points, from first contact the patient is having with the organization, looking at their website, use the website and adapted to the needs of the patient, information about the services and the language of the patients, even looking at elements such as localization. Are the symbols, colors, images, are they aligned with the cultural background of the patient, things like that. Looking at information sharing, travel, hotel services provided at the healthcare facility after they're discharged, and maybe going to a hotel again, and once they return home. So looking at all these touch points, our standards look at these and help improve and enhance, optimize these interactions. So how can GHA help you as a healthcare provider in Turkey? GHA standards, as I mentioned, they focus on that entire medical travel care continuum, and how all steps in the continuum can contribute to overall safe, high-quality medical traveler experience. The result of the GHA accreditation process, I believe, places healthcare providers in a better position to attract and effectively serve health tourism, international medical travel patients. In fact, it has been rewarding to hear back from some of our accredited clients the feedback that talks about, in some cases, improved patient experience scores or increased patient volume since becoming GHA accredited. As healthcare providers expand their global brand, especially now, you're thinking, well, when this video is being recorded and towards late December of 2020 with the pandemic going on, it's going to be, that's really got to work on your global brand, build patient trust. It's going to be increasingly more competitive and for organizations working with medical travel patients. It is our hope that you as a healthcare provider or organization seeking to improve and differentiate your services will embrace an evidence-based framework for medical travel that includes a focus on sustainable business practices and patient experience. Through our partnership with M2 and their team of experts on the ground, GHA is uniquely positioned to meet the demands of healthcare providers in Turkey serving medical travel patients. On behalf of Ms. Karen Timmons, GHA's Chief Executive Officer, we hope to be able to meet you in person or virtually in the near future. Thank you.